Hello and welcome to G-Secure. This is Caesar with G-Secure. Today we're going to be talking about this network tester. Happens to be DATASHARK, but most, if not all, work pretty much the same way. This is a prefabricated uh, cable. You have the in and you have the out. You clip it on the outbound, and then this is could be on the other side of the building if you wanted to, however long that cable run is. You plug it up on the other end. You have your on and off button here. You would turn that on. Then the little lights will flash as I'm about to show you in a little bit. Now, as far as network testers, most of them are going to do the exact same job. Like I said, this just happens to be a DATASHARK. I've used it. It's relatively inexpensive, so I keep using it. It's been pretty reliable. This one has a missing light. One of the lights bulbs is messed up, but still works. So I have it on fast, as you see. It should follow down. Number 3, like I said, the bulb doesn't really work. And that's really all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and look forward to another video.